In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signal bulb on your 2010 to 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander. First off, you need to open up the hatch because the bulb is right there in the tail light. We need to get the tail light out. It's held in place by those two screws over there. In order to take it off, we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. PH2, that's the size of the bit you need. PH2, don't get a big or smaller one. Get the right size one and take off the two screws over there. Once you do, all you have to do is just push to the left and then push it out. Left, see that it comes out from there, and then we pull it out. Now there are those two screws and those two alignment pins over there. That's what keeps the tail light in place. Now that's the bulb holder right there. All you have to do is just twist it left, right. It may be a little bit stiff, it may take a few seconds, and that's okay. Be patient with it. Once the bulb holder is loose, all you have to do is just get the bulb holder out of the tail light. And there we are, and the bulb is right there. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. Now let's look at the bulb itself. It's a simple single filament amber color bulb. The bulb replacement number is right there on it, WY21W, WY21W. That's the replacement bulb number that you have to get. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the bulb holder, and push it in. Now we can put the bulb holder back into the light. Once the bulb holder is sitting flush like that, all you have to do is just twist it right to lock it in place. Yep, just like that. Now we can put the light back into its right position. Make sure the alignment pins are aligned, and then push the tail light in like that. And now all we have to do is just tighten those two screws over there and then test out the light. And that looks good. Hope you like the video.